Let's look more deeply into our idea. So we have regular truck trailer, which walls and roof are made from timber. The reason we chose timber is that it is capable of surviving extreme desert conditions. Moving on, one of the wall has a feature to bend 90 degrees. By combining two of these trailers with bended walls, we create a basic structure for a building. After adding additional parts, we get a movable structure that is adjusted for working, living, and studying conditions. Two trailers make one set, which area is approximately 120 square meters. By having 11 of these sets, we can arrange the International School of Performing Arts with common house, school, canteen, bedrooms, and bathrooms. With the help of Ra, we will provide electricity to all our pyramids located in our camp. What the? Did you know that within 6 hours, deserts receive more energy from the sun than humankind consumes within a free year? Being located in the middle of the desert, it is obvious to use the energy of the sun. This is the best way to get electricity. With an array of photovoltaic cells, we can provide all of our buildings with electricity. The structure of these arrays help to protect them from typical desert conditions like sandstorms. With the usage of this technology, it will be much faster and much easier to convert sun power to electricity and to deliver it to the buildings. Regarding the water supply, why not to use the rainwater that appears every year and lasts for 1 month? We figured the best idea to get and store the water is to install a big tank next to every set. The water from the rain will be gathered on the roof of a building and go down through the pipes into a tank. In the first part of the tank, it will be cleaned by the filter, and after that, it will go to the storage part of the tank, where people can take it from whenever they need to. Waste. To solve this problem, we will use the experience of already existing companies. The reason for that is that they have wide knowledge about the topic and also operate within the same goal, helping people living in extreme conditions. The perfect example for a company like this could be Sun Energy, which has developed a technology of turning waste into electricity. Making partnership like this would benefit both sides.